More on Windows 7, Class 6, Computer. By the end of this chapter, you will understand about Windows Media Player, displaying two windows at a time, disk cleanup, how to rip and burn a CD or DVD, exploring picture folder, and additional features of Windows 7. Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment. These additional programs are known as accessories. For example, calculator, notepad, Windows Media Player, sound recorder, system tools, etc. Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player runs and organizes digital media files, both audio and video, available in computer memory. We can listen radio stations from all over the world if internet connection is available. This software allows us to play, copy, and create CDs or DVDs and copy music and video to portable devices. Rip or copy CD to your computer. We can copy songs from our favorite musics, CDs or DVDs onto our computer with Windows Media Player. When we rip music, we are copying songs from a CD to a computer. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the songs, create playlist, and copy music to a portable device. To rip a CD, click on the Start button and select all programs, then choose Windows Media Player from the list. Insert an audio CD in the CD drive. You will see the list of songs stored on the CD in the Windows Media Player. Clear the checkboxes next to any songs that you do not want to rip. You can use the checkbox at the top of the list and select or clear all checkboxes at once. When you are done with the selection process, click on the Rip CD button. The ripping process will start and you can see the rip status of individual songs. To stop the ripping process at any point, click on the Stop Ripping button. After the songs have been ripped, go to the library and play them. Copying data to a CD or burning a CD. Saving important information on a CD or DVD is easy as saving on hard disk. You can create your own CD or DVD by selecting a folder of software or media files and dragging it to a CD or DVD icon in computer folder. Insert a CD to your computer. Then Autoplay dialog box appears. Click on the Burn Files to Disk using Windows Explorer option. The Burn a Disk dialog box appears. Mention a CD name, disk title, and click on Next button. An empty disk folder opens. Drag the file you want to burn into this folder. On the toolbar, click on the Burn to Disk button and then follow the steps in the wizard. Displaying two windows at a time. Open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint programs one by one. Now right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Follow the process as shown on the screen. Right-click on the taskbar and click on Show Windows Side by Side. Exploring pictures. In picture folder, we can store digital photos, images, and graphic files. To open this folder, click on the Start button and select Picture options from the right pane. The picture folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails in Picture Library. You will find various buttons like Organize, Share, Slideshow, Burn, and New Folder on the bar above the thumbnails. We can also view our pictures as icons of various sizes in the picture folder or any folder customized as picture folder. Select any picture and double-click it to preview. You can select large icons, extra large icons, and medium icons as per our convenience. By double-clicking on it, we can open any particular picture. Disk cleanup. If you want to remove some unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space and help your computer to run faster, use disk cleanup feature. It removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. To use disk cleanup, click on Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and Disk Cleanup. The Disk Cleanup Drive Selection dialog box will open, asking you to select the drive. Now click on the drop-down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean up and click OK. This function will search and display the unnecessary files, and these can be safely deleted. More on Windows 7. Windows 7 offers a variety of new features which have simplified our daily tasks. Let us learn about those. Touch screen. With a touch-sensitive screen, hardware, and Windows 7, that is software, we can use our fingers to browse online, flip through photo albums, and shuffle files and folders. Using touch screen, we can even finger paint in painting software. This can be also experienced in mobile phones, tablets, and even ATMs, ticket collection terminals, etc. Snap. It is a quicker method to resize the open window. Drag one of the windows to the left edge of the screen and another to the right edge. In this manner, you can view two windows side by side. Dragging windows to the upper edge of the screen will take up the entire screen. Dragging the window to the lower edge of the screen will expand it. Next is shake. Click on the top of the window and without releasing the mouse button, give your mouse a shake. Every open window except the one you are working with will disappear. That is, they will be minimized. AeroFlip 3D. It is an interesting feature of Windows 7. This feature enables you to preview all open windows as a stack. To activate the AeroFlip 3D feature, press the Windows key plus Tab key combination. Notice that Windows will automatically direct you to desktop displaying open windows. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search for more things in more places in our computer. Simply type some text in the Start menu and search box and click on the See More result option above search box. You will immediately see a list of relevant documents, pictures, musics and emails on your PC. Windows 7 taskbar. The Windows 7 taskbar is more flexible and provides an easy navigation facility. We can pin our favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. We can preview the thumbnails of open files or programs by pointing to their icons on the taskbar. The new Aeropic feature allows us to turn the open windows transparent and makes the desktop screen visible. To do so, just point to the Show Desktop button at the right edge of the taskbar. Jump List. Jump List is a new feature in Windows 7 which takes us right to the documents, pictures, songs, or websites that we use frequently. To open a jump list, just right-click on a program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. What we see in a jump list depends entirely on the program. The jump list for Internet Explorer shows recently opened websites. You can jump to any website by clicking on it in the list. It is showing the jump list of Google Chrome now. Windows Media Center. Watching TV, movies and other video contents on our PC is easier than ever. With a cable connection, we can watch and record TV using Windows Media Center. Windows Mobile. Windows Mobile software empowers advanced, easy-to-use devices that allow the user to send and receive email, browse the internet, and hundreds of applications available to extend the platform. Windows Mobile works differently depending on the place, time, and nature of the work. What did we learn from this lesson? Accessories are additional programs of Windows. Microsoft Windows Player runs and organizes digital media file. Ripping means copying data from CD to a computer. Disk cleanup feature removes temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties recycle bin files, and other items that are not being used for a long time. AeroFlip 3D feature enables you to preview all open windows as a stack. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.